Just as no man can weigh the heart of another man, my future lies not in man's hands, but in God's hands, the creator of all mankind. Just as no man can put his passion inside another man, no man can judge me with true weight as the so-called justice that's supposed to be done today. So I know that no matter what happens, my future will always be in God's hands. And no matter what, one day I will walk free, and that is by the grace of God. And it's through the true justice, which is justice is a gift to all mankind, which is freedom, forgiveness, and faith. Therefore, I know that that is the reason why I'm still alive today, and that is the reason why I have a voice to speak to all of the young men who don't have a voice to speak, whose parents are still grieving and have no reason to know why, have no understanding of why their son or their daughters have passed away by the hands of so-called justice. Therefore, when I walk free, I will be a voice to all the young men who have no voice, all the young men who have no understanding of why they can walk the street and be harassed for no reason at all. These same laws are the same laws that said a man cannot walk free without a slave walking free pass, and had justice to be put on them for being a free man back in the 1800s, 1890s. These are the same laws that this man here is trying to put on me today to tell me as a man what rights I have as a man. So therefore, I want to say also to the Morales family that I am truly regretful to be responsible for the pain that they have today, because man is made in God's image, and a man is someone who is supposed to be the carrier and the protector for their family, so I can understand what kind of hurt that will end to that family. And I want to say that I am truly sorry, and I am truly regretful as a man to be able to sit here in this position to be the man with the finger pointed at to be responsible for this situation. But I want to say that no man was there to know my heart. No man was there to know what I had in my eyes and the feeling that I had in my chest on February 28, 2013. So therefore, I just want to say that I ask that something changes about the law, because there is no balance to this law. When one man, because of the color of his uniform, can walk free without no repercussions for killing a man, shooting a man in his back, shooting a man as he tries to get away, there has to be some kind of law. That's what I ask. No matter what my future holds, there's some kind of law that can balance. Just as there are aggravating factors to make a man who is convicted of killing a law enforcement officer, there should be aggravating factors for a law enforcement officer who kills a harmless young teenager, to balance this weight. Other than that, it will be a perpetual cycle of violence, because man cannot estimate what reactions a young man will have towards someone who carries a badge and a gun. So I do want to say to all the young men out there on the streets to follow peace and see your next man not as a man but as yourself, not as the opposite man but as yourself. Whether they're police or whether they're a person on the street, or whether you're a police, don't see a criminal as a criminal, see him as yourself, because he has the same blood and breathes the same air that you do. And that's all I have to say. And God bless everybody, and I just hope that everything works out for the better. Thank you.